I use Yummy Hair. Yummy Hair has been phenomenal for me. It has I have zero complaints about this hair. I've been using Yummy Hair since I lost my hair. So it's been 6 years. I keep saying 6 years. It has not been 6 years since I've been wearing this hair. It's been 6 years since I lost my hair. 6 years ago, I developed alopecia. I've been rocking this hair for 4.5 years. It's not quite 6 years, but almost 5 years. So I keep referencing saying 6 years. It has not been 6 years. I don't know what's wrong with me. Sometimes my time be a little warped. Still have the hair. This hair is from 6 years ago. I've had it since I started. I've had this hair 6 years. It has not it hasn't I have no complaints. It hasn't shed, it hasn't fallen out, it hasn't broken apart, it hasn't lost its luster, it's still luxurious. And it very much reminds me of my own hair, which is why I feel very comfortable wearing Yummy Hair. And I'm not sponsored. They don't know I'm making this video. I paid for it with my own money. I could just tell you how the hair performs based on my experience. I like both conditioners, but Tresemme Moisture Rich, I think it makes the hair a lot shinier, a lot more lightweight. If I had to make a choice between either conditioner, I think I would choose Tresemme. It is the recommended brand, and they got that one right. I give my bundles the same regimen I gave my own natural hair. I only flat iron my bundles on freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. And as you can see, the hair has a lot of shine, a lot of body, a lot of bounce, a lot of movement. I don't add any products. Just like my natural hair, I don't add any I'm currently working on another wig, and I recently bleached some of my hair and I added highlights and lowlights. And I really like how the hair turned out. The colors are very vibrant and the color lifted very well. The wig is coming together quite well, so I can't wait to show you. It hasn't shed, it hasn't fallen out, it hasn't broken apart. Is the hair 100% raw? Um, well, I don't know because I every time I get new bundles, even though I don't know if this does anything or not, but every time I get new bundles, I spray it down with 91% proof alcohol and I dip them in boiling hot water. In the boiling water, I add conditioner and I dip them in the boiling hot water. I was feeling some type of way about wearing somebody else's hair because we all know hair carries energy, and that's something I was it was a conflict for me. It was something I had to get over. I have alopecia, but I don't live my life like I have alopecia. I do wear wigs every day. All of my life, I've had hair, and I'm going to continue to have hair, whether it's artificial, fake. This is who I am. I like long hair. So that was my way of sanitizing the hair. But in the midst of doing that, the hair bled brown. All of the water was brown. Raw hair is supposed to be raw. No chemicals, no dyes, nothing. It's supposed to be in its most natural form. Natural hair doesn't bleed color. So, you do with that what you what you want. Is 100% raw? No, I would say no. I don't know, but the hair does perform well. Okay, if it's whether it's raw or not, I'm happy with it. Let's put it that way. Whether the hair is 100% raw or not, I am happy with it. But at the same time, if people are paying for raw prices, they should get raw hair.